We built a miniature lacrosse field in this private backyard in Dix Hills, New York. We incorporated porcelain tiles installed diagonally to lead to the driveway, backyard entrance, and we had the synthetic cross between the tiles with 4-inch strips. We installed a putting green in this corner. We used Radici synthetic turf for the whole field. This turf is manufactured in Italy, and Gappsi is an importer of this Radici turf. We installed Dominator double horn light. This light lights up the entire court at night as a daylight. We installed out of bounds netting behind the net to prevent the ball from going next door. And we striped the court with permanent white lines. This is the latest synthetic turf sports court built by Gappsi in Dix Hills, New York.